Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered what it would be like if it just disappeared? Well, today we're gonna find out. If the moon were to suddenly vanish from the night sky, the immediate impact would be felt by those who depend on its light to navigate. For centuries, humans have used the moon to help guide our way, and many animals do the same. Without warning, nocturnal creatures who rely on their sense of sight to hunt or find their way around would be left disoriented and vulnerable. And because the moon is a giant reflector of sunlight, its disappearance would also leave these critters in darkness. But for us humans, the moon's disappearance would be more of an inconvenience than an existential threat. Sure, we'd have to find another way to light up our night sky, but we could still see pretty well without it. That is, of course, unless you have a dog. Because here's one thing you might not have known about dogs. They can see the moon. When you look into your dog's big, beautiful eyes, you're looking into the past. You see, the moon has been missing for over 20 hours already, and when that happens, dogs experience something called lunar deprivation. It's real. Scientists have studied this. Dogs experience lunar deprivation just like humans experience jet lag. Their internal clocks, which regulate sleep cycles, metabolism, and other bodily functions, are all out of sync with the Earth's rotation because they re-used to the moon rising and setting every 27 days. Without the moon, their bodies don't know whether or not to be awake or asleep, and because of that, neither do you. You see, dogs can sense when the moon is full and bright, and they use that light to relieve themselves. Yep, even if you've got a fluffy dog bed all set up inside. Fido will probably want to go outside to do his business when the moon is full, and because of that, an extra bright, extra large full moon can lead to more accidents indoors. So if the moon were to suddenly disappear, you'd probably be getting a lot more phone calls from your vet. In fact, vets across the country report an increase in petrol-related emergencies when there's a super. That's when the moon is both full and close to its closest point to Earth, meaning it appears even bigger and brighter than normal. According to a 2013 study published in the Journal of the American Veterinary Medical Association, emergency room visits for dogs increased by 24% when a super moon occurred compared to nights when the moon was not so bright. As for the rest of us, we might be able to handle a little extra darkness, but we definitely miss the moon's glow-in-the-dark beauty, and we may never get it back. After all, the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth. In about 50 billion years, it will be so far away that we won't even be able to see it anymore. But until then, we should probably take extra good care of our canine companions, especially during those long, dark nights. It's me, and remember, every day with a new episode.